Hi, I'm Jessica, and welcome to ChinesePod.
Hi, I'm Joshua. 欢迎回到中文播客。
Today we're going to be learning the ba particle in the Chinese language. The language has many different particles, right? We have, what are some examples? We have ba, we also have right? 好啊, we hear that often. What is another particle we have?
啦
好啦, right? These tiny little particles that we hear very frequently all have different meanings and are super important. But today we're just going to focus on ba and how it means to give a suggestion or offer an opinion.
今天我们要学的是吧。当我们在给建议的时候，或者是邀请别人的时候，我们会用吧这个词。
Great, so let's get started.
我们开始吧。
So first, let's look at how ba is used in response to questions. Then we can look at how ba is used to formulate a question. So let's have an example.
中午吃什么？
Okay, 中午吃什么? Noon, eat what, right? What would you like to eat at noon? Okay, and then an answer can be
吃面吧。
吃面吧. All right, let's have some noodles, right? 吃面吧. Great. I think it's very important here to note that in a textbook, they will explain ba or they will translate it usually as
吃面吧 which
Yeah.
is something you'll do together.
okay, right, 吃面吧, let's go together, let's do it, right? It'll really emphasize, the emphasis is really on let's do this. However, in real life, it's not always such an upbeat thing, right? The ba is not always a positive thing. It really depends on your tone.
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.